Welcome everyone to our online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to remove a space from mobile number. So here in column B, you can see there is some space after country code and our requirement is to remove that space. So we will use one Excel formula here. Type is equal to sign, then replace, select the number here, comma, 4 on the fourth space we have to remove the space, comma 1, comma quotation marks, close the bracket here and press enter. Now you can see here the space is removed here. Select the number and drag it down. You can see all the space are removed. So by this way you can remove the space from mobile number in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.